Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change more content and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, find the verbosity and then tap. Then in the verbosity section, scroll down again and then find the more content and then tap again. Then in the more content section, if you want to change it to speak, tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to play sounds, tap it also until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to do nothing, just tap the do nothing until there's also a check mark on the side, just like this. And that's it. We have successfully changed more content and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!